The current scenario of Avalanche AVAX coin is that it has just got rejection from the major resistance structure which it had between 73.42 and 72.55. So what is next? Is it sell now or buy is still favorable? If buy is favorable, then what could be the possible entry point? And if sell is favorable, then what could be the possible entry point? Let's try to figure out our entry points in this video. But first, if you are new to this channel, then click the red button on your screen that says subscribe and click the bell icon so that you may get all the notifications of my upcoming technical analysis videos just in time. I'm sure it will definitely help you to fine-tune your trading strategies and reduce your losses. So let's move forward to our video and I see you back in a second. Hello friends, welcome back to Crypto Trader. In this video, we are going to do the technical analysis of AVAX USDT, and currently we are in the weekly graph. As you know, we find our entry points on the basis of three-step trading rule. The first step of our trading rule is that to identify the major trend of the market, and the second step of our trading rule is that identify the major structures, and the third step of our trading rule is identify the entry and exit points. So let's start. Let's try to figure out the main trend of the market. We are in the weekly graph and you can see that we are clearly in the uptrend. We are in the daily graph now and you can see here we are in the uptrend in daily graph as well. Let's try to figure out the swing highs and swing lows. Let's start from here. This is our swing high. This is our swing low. If we consider it our next swing high, and this is our swing low, then the upcoming swing high will definitely break this point, which is near $80. Currently, we are in between the latest swing low and latest swing high, and in between everything is consolidation. So on the daily graph, let's try to figure out the major areas of values. As you know, the previous swing high becomes our support when market breaks that swing high and come back for the retest of the zone. It becomes our major structure for the market to retest and get back to the direction. So far, this support zone played an important role and pushed the market upward into the direction again. We find out what was our major support zone as per daily graph. Now we find out what is our expected resistance zone as per daily time frame. So our support zone as per daily time frame was between 59.01 and 54.64, while our resistance zone for the daily time frame was between $80 and $76.26. Now we move down to one time frame and try to find out the major trend of the H4 graph and major areas of values of H4 graph, because we would like to figure out our entry and exit points as per H4 graph. Let's try to find out our major swing levels. This was our swing high, this was swing low, then this was our swing high, this was our swing low, and this was our most recent swing high, and market is still searching for the recent swing low. Let's try to figure out the major areas of values as per the H4 graph, and as you know, the most recent swing high becomes our major area of support. When our market breaks above it and come back to retest the zone, it becomes our major area of support. So as per H4 graph, it is expected that market may come down to this zone to retest it, and we may find any good buy reason here in this zone. If we find any good buy reason here in this zone, then this zone is more likely the buying point of our upcoming entry. Currently the market is favorable to buy, and I believe we should avoid any sell entry at the moment. Although the market is coming down, but still sell is not favorable. So conclusively, our entry point should be between 69.30 and 67.53, which is our most recent support structure zone. Market is going to retest it. If we go back up to daily time frame, then we can notice that the upcoming resistance zone is between 76.39 and 79.22. If we manage to find any buy entry at this zone, then our take profit area should be between 76.39 and 79.22, which is the next upcoming resistance zone, as you can see in the daily time frame. But the most favorable time frame to find the entry point is H4 or H1 graph. So whenever you find the market coming back to this zone, retesting it, then you may drop down to one time frame and go to the H1 time frame, see any bullish momentum candle here or any long wick candle here, you may say it pin bar candle, then place your entry here and your stop loss anywhere below this structure zone, and your exit point is between the 76.39 and 79.22, which is the upcoming resistance zone, as we have discussed already. So this was our technical analysis of the Avalanche. You also know it with the name AVAX coin. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button for me and share this video as well. Thank you.